Good afternoon. Here is the agenda for today, Tuesday, October 13. Our bell ringer was on rights and responsibilities. It was an article that we read in Newsela that's in your classroom. And what I had students in class do was on just a note card, they wrote down, they identified the most, off that article, the most important right that American citizens have and responsibility that American citizens have. I think you can leave that as a comment to this assignment that'll drop into your classroom. So after you watch the video, read the article, leave a comment on what you believe to be the most important right and responsibility, and tell me why you think that way. From there, we finished, we reviewed our vocab, identifying the different forms of government and sorting them as either limited in that government's power or unlimited in that government's power. And then the last part of class, students worked on evaluating and analyzing a form of government. So there we go. I pick up the right tab. We finished with this, where they could choose any country of the world and identify that country's government system. We look for these types of questions that they can answer, and then based off of what they read and observed about that country in their research, they could answer this question. The websites that I had classes use were the CIA World Factbook, kind of disappeared for a second there, and Culturegrams, which we've used before. You can see the username and password is right up there if you need to get in. But between Culturegrams and the CIA World Factbook, you should be able to answer these questions about a country's government structure and system, as well as maybe use that to help you answer this last question. So, to recap, rights and responsibilities article is right here. You can leave a comment. Maybe I'll adjust it for you. Leave a comment on the big takeaway from the article as what you believe to be the most important right and what you believe to be the most important responsibility, and tell me why you think that way. And then you can finish the assignment by exploring on your own a country of the world. I'll provide you feedback after you turn this assignment in. That should help guide you in making sure you have the correct answers. Yeah, I think that covers it for today. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask. I hope you're doing well, and we'll talk to you later.